In situation 2, we're talking about a leaking tank. We're comparing the amount in gallons of water to the time in minutes. And so number 1 says, what is the slope or the constant rate of change of the graph, and how did you determine it? There are a couple different ways of determining it. One is just by using the points that are given to us on that graph. So if we take a look at this point here, which is the point 4.3, and the point 8.6, if we know that slope is rise over run, we can compare the rise to the run from this point here up and over to this point here. So if we start at the first point, we're going up 1, 2, 3, and we're going to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. So that shows us that our change in y is 3 and our change in x is 4. So for number 1, we could say that our slope is 3 over 4. In the second one, it says, what is the unit rate in gallons per minute? Show your thinking. The unit rate just says, let's label this with our units, which is the gallons per minute. So we could say this is 3 over 4 gallons per minute. And then number 3 says, how does your answer to number 1 compare to number 2? Notice that the slope, or the constant rate of change, is the same thing as that unit rate. So slope and constant rate of change are exactly the same thing. So we can say they are the same.